Liberty Mutual or American Family Insurance, two giants in the industry, but when it comes to coverage, savings, and service, which one truly has your back? On one side, you have Liberty Mutual with its customizable policies and wide reach. On the other, American Family Insurance brings a legacy of personal service and protection tailored just for you. Let's put slogans aside and dive straight into what actually matters. We're giving out points in every category, so by the end you'll know exactly who leads the pack. And the winner, it might just surprise you. So here's what we're actually going to compare: price and discounts, all the coverage options you can get, how it feels to file a claim, digital tools, because who doesn't want a decent app these days, customer service, and oh yeah, how financially sturdy these companies actually are. That's our roadmap. Let's kick off with price and discounts. Liberty Mutual says, hey, bundle up and you'll save, plus you've got those customizable policy options that might shave off some cash. But, and I gotta be real, their rates can creep up, especially if you fall outside those super safe risk profiles. On the flip side, American Family usually rolls out better rates for families, plus stuff like good student and loyalty discounts. The catch, some of those deals are only for certain states. Still, if you can get them, they're a sweet perk, so for value here, American Family just edges it out. Moving to coverage options now, Liberty Mutual is all about letting you tweak your policy. Want accident forgiveness? Add it. Need coverage for, I don't know, alien abduction? Honestly, they probably have an option for it. The only snag is, if you're not careful, those extras can stack up fast on your bill. Now, American Family covers the bases really well too, with some cool add-ons like a diminishing deductible. But if you're looking for top-tier stuff like robust rideshare or rental car add-ons everywhere, it's more hit or miss depending on your state. So, for sheer flexibility, Liberty Mutual actually pulls ahead here. Next up, claims experience. Liberty Mutual has around-the-clock support and a mobile app, so at least you can check what's happening while you're doom-scrolling at 3 a.m. Some folks online complain about the process being a bit rocky sometimes, but that's kind of the nature of insurance, right? American Family takes a different angle with those local agents who, actually remember your name. Plus, in a lot of places, their response times, super impressive. But then, depending on where you live, the experiences are kind of all over the place. So honestly, both do pretty darn well overall. I'm calling this one a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know both Liberty Mutual and American Family have been in business for over 90 years? That's a ton of time insuring people through, every era of car design imaginable. Alright, digital tools, gotta say, this one is interesting. Liberty Mutual, their apps got everything: roadside help, telematics, even your insurance ID right on your phone. Great if you love tech, although yeah, some folks find it a little cold or, less personal. American Family does have a nicely designed website and you can chat with your agent there, but their app, it's solid but not mind-blowing. So for techies and those who want bells and whistles, Liberty Mutual is the winner by a long shot. So, customer service. Liberty Mutual does the 24/7 big brand thing, which is great when you need help in the middle of the night. But if you're looking for that cozy, family-owned vibe, you might feel a bit like a number here. With American Family, though, their agents really go the distance. If you want to be on a first-name basis with an actual person, especially in the Midwest or out west, you're gonna love the extra care. The only problem, if you're outside their strong zones, don't expect the same red carpet. Still, in terms of that personal touch, American Family totally takes the gold. Last big one, financial strength. Liberty Mutual has the ratings, the giant brand, the whole international swagger. If you want stability, this is the big leagues. Okay, they're JD. Power scores aren't exactly at the tippy top, but nothing to break a sweat over. American Family is financially solid and kind of has that mutual company vibe, like the folks who own a piece of the company. But look, they're not as massive as the giants, so not as much market muscle. For the big picture confidence, Liberty Mutual gets the checkmark here. Let's throw all that onto a radar chart just to see how these two stack up against each other in every category at a glance. It's honestly closer than I thought. So, bottom line, if you're a tech-savvy shopper who wants to customize every detail, Liberty Mutual's probably going to feel like a playground. But if you want that local, family-first vibe where your agent waves to you at the grocery store, American Family is going to feel well like home. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more smart comparisons.